Good morning, class. Welcome to your Art Activism lesson overview. This video will discuss the learning goals, the essential question, and the vocabulary for this lesson. This is just a quick introduction as to what you can expect in the coming days. So your learning goals for the assignment are to first design an artwork that addresses an issue to bring about social change. You are also going to be communicating a specific message with relevant subject matter and create an artwork that raises awareness about a social issue. So you're going to be applying the skills that you learned in your last unit, the narrative art project, to create illustrations, to draw images in action in an environment to show a social issue, a problem that affects many people in today's world. So it's very similar to the last project, but instead of telling a personal story or narrative, you're actually going to be displaying a social issue to show a problem and discuss how to solve that problem. Then your essential question is, how does collaboration expand the creative process? The idea of the project is to work with someone else to help brainstorm and plan the design of the project. And collaborating with someone else allows you to get different insights from other people and even have more than one person working on the project with you. So that's going to be your essential question. And your vocabulary words are art activism, social issue, contemporary, collaboration, variety, shape, emphasis, and unity. So all of these things are going to be present in this unit. And also, as far as the summative assessment, I'll grade you as I always do. First and foremost with the art production rubric out of 100 points to grade you on your final project for the assignment, and also with the learning log to demonstrate your knowledge and your own personal reflection of your project and the process. So that is everything. Just a quick brief overview for the project. After this video, please watch the next video to discuss the lesson directions and even the breakdown of the final grading and what I'm looking for in the final project. All right, guys, I will talk to you all soon. Bye.